Hi guys, today I'll show you my way of spinach prawn. Chop all the ingredients that I have listed below. Heat a pan, add some oil, then saute garlic and onion. Then add bowl of prawn and then cook it until it gets brown. Make sure onion and prawn doesn't stick to the pan. Then add capsicum and tomatoes and cook it for 2 minutes in medium heat. Finally, add spinach and coriander. But if you don't like coriander, you don't have to put it, you can skip it. Now, my way spinach prawn is ready to eat. So serve it as you like and finish it with lemon wedge. This food is easy to cook and easy to eat. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and like this video. See you next time. Thank you again for watching my video, guys.